Hello everyone, I'm an engineer Ayaz Ahmed. Today I will discuss about the most important things which are variable frequency drives. So why we use variable frequency drives at industries? So variable frequency drives are used at industries for several reasons. The first reason is soft start and stop electrical motors. VFDs providing smooth starting and stopping of electrical motors, reducing the risk of electrical and mechanical devices. Second reason is reduced mechanical stress. For gradually ramping up a motor speed instead of starting abruptly means suddenly at full speed, change the frequency with respect to the load variation. Third reason is precise control. We have this offer precise control over meter speed. It allows for better control processes at industries. Fourth reason is energy saving. We have this control the speed of meters by adjusting the frequency of the electrical power supplied to them, which can result in significant energy savings by matching motor speed in a required load. Fifth reason is improve power factor. VFDs can improve the power factor, leading to better utilization of electrical power and reducing energy lost. So, at industries, if the loads will vary, then we will adjust the variable frequency devices with respect to the load. Thank you so much.